I'm Caren, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an Easter bunny cake. For the last 25 years, I have been making this cake, and I think you will love making this cute, darling little cake with your grandkids or your children. It's great for a project, and it's so cute that it could be the centerpiece on your Easter lunch table. To make this Easter bunny cake, you will need 2 8 or 9 inch round cakes. They can be a white cake or a yellow cake, it's your choice. You can make them from scratch, or I guess you could even make a box cake. Of course, I never promote that because I like everyone to cook from scratch so that you know your ingredients. Today we're going to ice this cake with whipped cream because I like to use whipped cream frostings for cakes because I really don't like much sugar, and so to me the whipped cream is the healthiest option. So in the whipped cream I am going to put a little bit of coconut cream and just a tiny bit of organic powdered sugar and some vanilla, but use whatever white icing recipe that you like. Anything works. That is the beauty of this project. Simple, and you have lots of options. So let's get started. Take about 1 cup of grated coconut and put it in a Ziploc bag, and put 1 or 2 drops of food coloring of your choice. I'm using blue in this case for my Easter bunny for the bow tie, but really easy to make. I always make sure and score the cake rounds first before I cut them. Don't worry it's crumbling because you're going to put a lot of icing on it and it is not going to matter. So here are the bunny ears. Here's the bow tie. I hope I've inspired you to make this Easter bunny cake with your children or grandchildren. Remember, when you do projects with your children, you are building memories, which is so important. My children remember to this day all about making Easter bunny cakes, and they treasure those memories. From our Texas Hill Country farmstead to you, have a blessed day, and we will see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Hi, I'm Caren, creator of the YouTube channel and blog Texas Farmstead Living, where we inspire, educate, and guide you into living your healthiest, best life. I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thank you.